This is a demonstration of a repeated measures t-test. The first hypothesis I'm going to test is that the confidence skills course improved the students' scores on the academic confidence scale at time 1 compared with at time 2 compared with their results at time 1. There's the variable time 2 and there's the variable at time 1. I'm also going to look at the math skills students, and the hypothesis there is that the math skills course does nothing to enhance the students' scores on the academic confidence scale at time 2 compared with time 1. So first of all we need to split the data into these two groups. So go to Data and Split File and select the two groups that we want to analyse. We want to look at the math skills students separately to the confidence skills students. So that's the variable that includes those two groups. Click on OK and then go to Analyse, Compare Means and down to the Paired Samples t-test and select Confidence time 1, which will appear here as variable 1, and Confidence time 2, which then appears here. Move those over into this screen and click on OK. An output screen will then open. In the first table you can see the mean scores on the academic confidence scale at time 1 and time 2 for students on the math skills course, and again the mean scores at time 1 and time 2 on the confidence building course. Just looking at these means initially, we can see that these are fairly similar. There's not a big difference, so it looks like our hypothesis is supported, but we'll have a look at the statistics to check on that. This difference is slightly bigger. At confidence time 2, the confidence building students did get a higher score than at time 1, but whether or not that's significant is the next thing to look at. So go down to the table at the bottom that shows the paired samples t-test and go straight down to this box here that shows you the p-value at two-tailed, which is 0.362 for the difference between time 1 and time 2 for math skills students. Now remember that we are doing a one-tailed test because we are predicting no difference, and so that would be a 0.15, but that's still above 0.05, so therefore this is non-significant. The difference here is significant, so p equals 0.01, which is a very good finding because it's actually below the 1% level, so that shows there is a significant difference at the 1% level between the students' scores on the academic confidence scale at time 2 compared with time 1 for the students on the confidence building course. So when reporting these results, we don't need to report the T, the degrees of freedom, or the p-value for the math skills. We simply say that that wasn't significant. And with the confidence building, we need to report the T value being minus 4.1, degrees of freedom is 14, and P is less than 0.01. If you're new to this course, email me at info@rosannabreen.com to register for this basic statistics course. For those of you who are already on the course, I've got a hypothesis for you to test. First of all, the hypothesis is that the confidence skills course students will have a lower fear of statistics at time 2 compared with time 1, and that the math skills course will do nothing to reduce the students' fear of statistics at time 2 compared with time 1. So conduct those two tests and email me your interpretation of those findings. Thank you.